Bitcoin just shattered expectations again. Sitting at $118,000, the world's most famous digital currency has gone from being dismissed as internet money to becoming the centerpiece of a new financial era. But how did we get here? And more importantly, how high can it go? Let's rewind. Just 1 year ago, Bitcoin was trading around $30,000. At that time, whispers of institutional adoption were just that, whispers. Fast forward to now, and we've seen a nearly 4-time surge in price, fueled by a perfect storm of demand, scarcity, and legitimacy. This isn't just hype. The Bitcoin ETF approvals in the US were a major turning point. Suddenly, traditional investors could buy into Bitcoin without touching crypto exchanges. This opened the floodgates for massive institutional inflows. BlackRock, Fidelity, Vanguard, some of the world's largest asset managers, are now allocating billions into Bitcoin exposure. Even old-school banks like JP Morgan and Goldman Sachs have rolled out digital asset desks. This is no longer a game played by retail traders in their basements. And the security? It's never been stronger. The Bitcoin network's hash rate, which measures its overall computing power, is at an all-time high, making it more secure than ever before. Governments and corporations alike are embracing Bitcoin custody through regulated, insured platforms. The Wild West era is ending. Meanwhile, supply is tightening. The 2024 halving event slashed Bitcoin's new issuance in half, just as demand was reaching all-time highs. Scarcity is coded into Bitcoin's DNA, and that's exactly what's driving this bull run. And then there's global confidence. Countries battling inflation are turning to Bitcoin as a hedge. Entire nations, like El Salvador and now Argentina's private banks, are adopting or integrating Bitcoin into everyday finance. And just look at this tweet from @A Pompliano. Bitcoin went from $0 to $100K faster than most tech stocks went from IPO to relevance. We're not early anymore, we're right on time. So the question now isn't if Bitcoin is in a bull run, it's how far this run will go. Some analysts are calling for $150K by year's end. Others say $250K isn't out of reach in this cycle. The difference this time? The buyers aren't just believers, they're billionaires. In a world where inflation eats savings and trust in fiat currencies fades, Bitcoin is positioning itself as the new global reserve. $118K may feel high, but in Bitcoin's world, this could still be the ground floor. This has been FreePizza, no bias, just facts. Subscribe so you don't miss the next move.